Hey guys, Matt Maker here from Move with Matt Group Training. Now today's video is about diet breaks and refeeds. Now a lot of people, when we talk about refeeds and diet breaks, they think about going to McDonald's, getting a stack of 20 pancakes and just stuffing their faces. But I don't believe in that. That's binging. Now, a diet break and a refeed, it's a calculated way to add in calories in order to prevent metabolic adaptation from occurring. Now, metabolic adaptation, what happens is, let's say I'll put you on 500 calories. Now, anyone in this world, I believe, could lose weight at 500 calories. We're not meant to starve ourselves that much, but I'm just using this as an example. So let's say I'll put you on 500 calories. Yes, you're going to lose weight, but for a period of time. It might take you 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. What's going to happen is metabolic adaptation, which is your body is going to slow down its day-to-day processes to function. So rather than your body maintaining body weight at 2,000 calories where it should be, it now thinks the new norm is 500 calories. And your body's adapted to 500 calories. This is where so many people go wrong. You may have had a friend, it may have happened to you, where you've been eating 1,200 calories and you say, look, I can't lose weight. I'm eating 1,200 calories. This diet said I should be eating 1,200 calories. I'm training twice a day. I'm still not losing weight. Now, it's not the diet. It's not you. The reason why you're failing is your body's adapted to lower calories. This is why we have to go through certain periods in the year where we have to increase calories to shock up the system, to shock up the metabolism. And that's why when we're in a calorie deficit, so when we pull calories, say our maintenance is 2,000 calories and we're pulling 500 calories. So now I'm eating at 1,500 calories. Now 1,500 calories, I might lose weight, but for a certain amount of time. To progress to the next level of fat loss, we have to continually do more, so expend more energy, or we have to eat less. So there's going to be a period of time where we just keep decreasing calories and keep expending more energy. But what happens is, dieting is a stressor on the body, our hormones. We're not meant to keep pulling calories. Our body just wants to thrive and survive. It doesn't care about abs. It doesn't give a shit about that. So what happens is, when we continually pull calories, expend more, your energy levels, mood, sex drive, these all decrease. So introducing a refeed and diet break, what this does is, it repairs us from the inside out. It gets our energy levels back up. It gets our sex drive back up. It gets our mood back up. It gets us back up and it knocks back this metabolic adaptation from happening because our body's trying to adapt. Remember, as we pull calories, as we drop to 1,500 calories, our body's going to adapt to that. So what happens is we increase calories by 500 or 400 calories by carbs. What this does is it whacks back that metabolic adaptation. It whacks our metabolism from adapting and gives us more time to chase that fat loss. If we just continually chase fat loss, our metabolism's going to adapt and we're not going to see the results we want. So it's a long play. All right, guys, hope this helps. Keep killing it.